The clock that stopped. There was a boy named Ethan. Ethan loved numbers. He liked counting, measuring, and keeping track of time. He always watched the clock. Every morning, he looked at the clock. He checked the time before breakfast. He checked the time before school. Even at school, he looked many times. He liked knowing exactly what time it was. The numbers on the clock made him feel safe and organized. One day, Ethan saw the old clock stopped. The hands did not move. The ticking sound was gone. "Oh no," Ethan said. "How will I know the time?" He tried to move the hands. He wound the key carefully. He looked at the clock from every side. He shook it gently. Nothing worked. Ethan felt worried. "If I cannot know the time, my day will be ruined," he thought. He asked his mother, "Mom, can we fix it?" His mother smiled. "Some things cannot be fixed," she said. "But that is okay. Time is more than a clock." Ethan did not understand. How can it be okay, he thought. He went outside to think. He saw birds flying in the sky. He saw butterflies on flowers. He saw children laughing and running. He heard the wind moving through the trees. Ethan sat on a bench. He watched carefully. He noticed the sun moving slowly. The flowers opened and closed. The birds sang and rested. The leaves moved with the wind. Everything had its own rhythm. Ethan realized something. Time is everywhere. Time is in the moments we live. Time is in the things we feel. Time is in the things we see and hear. Time is not just numbers on a clock. Ethan smiled. He forgot the stopped clock. He joined the children playing. He ran and jumped. He laughed happily. He felt the time in his heart. After returning home, he looked at the clock. This time, he did not feel sad. He understood the truth. The clock shows numbers. Life shows moments and feelings. Even if the clock stopped, life never stops. Ethan learned to watch the world, not only the numbers. From that day, Ethan still looked at the clock. But he also watched the birds, the flowers, and the people. He listened carefully to sounds. He felt the wind and the sun. He learned that every moment counts. Every moment is a part of time, a part of life, and a part of happiness. Ethan smiled every day. He knew that life was bigger than numbers. He learned that even a stopped clock cannot stop him from enjoying the world.